puti. Then we have also fish sauce. Then we also have vinegar. And we also have gisadong alamang. Ang raw mat natin is a combination of from Iloilo, Bacolod, Davao, and also here from General Santos City.
So sir, di ba this is your first time po as nominated para sa local taxpayer category po para sa Yaman Gensan. Ano po yung feeling ninyo na ma-nominate po kayo?
Yeah, it's huge, no? It's great. I'm extremely overjoyed with the nomination. We've been receiving lots of invitations from DOST and DTI for us to be able to upgrade, no, our way of doing our operation. And as a matter of fact, we are already preparing one sometime in August, no, regarding sa pagtulong ng sistema para maging efficient kami sa deliveries, no, and sa operation.
Sa darating po na Yaman Gensan this July, sir, ano po yung message na mabibigay niyo sa ating mga generals?
Okay, first, no, I'd like to thank the one who organizes Yaman Gensan and giving us this opportunity, small as I am, na can participate in this great endeavor. I do believe that it would help much, no, especially in improving, no, our products. You know, I wanted to share to you something, no. A friend of mine from Manila wanted to carry our product, and then in my product, in my label, I put an emblem which says a truly Mindanao-owned product. Tapos sabi niya, wag mong lagyan ng Mindanao kasi ang Mindanao may bad connotation. But I told her that no, Mindanao, it's not all about wars. It's about good people and good product. So in this forthcoming Yaman Gensan, it is our opportunity to showcase and exhibit our locally owned product but globally competitive somehow, no? So again, I'm excited, no? Kasi one thing for sure, magbigyan ng exposure ang mga product namin. Tapos regarding sa naman sa local government, I also believe na ang local government naman is actively involved in helping especially the SMEs, no, para talaga ma-upgrade yung quality ng product natin, not only to be marketed locally but also globally.
According nga po kay Sir Dodong ng Generic Food Products, ang products ng mga taga-General Santos ay hindi lamang pang locally, tsaka pang export pa po sila. Kaya naman, mabuhay ang mga entrepreneur dito sa Gensan. Maraming salamat po sir at aabangan namin kayo this July 18 sa awarding po ng Yaman Gensan.
Dahil ang Gensan ang tuna capital ng Pilipinas, marami ding mga produktong tatak Gensan ang sikat ngayon sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa. Ito ang mga tuna value-added products.
At sa taong ito, nominado muli bilang Product Innovator of the Year ang KM Food Products, located at NLSA Road, Lagao, Gensan. Tuna chorizo, tuna shumai, tuna rolls at marami pang iba ang mga produkto ng KM Food Products.
Kasama po natin ngayon is Sir Ramon Gabaldon, the owner of KM Foods. Magandang Gensan, sir.
Magandang Gensan, Alex.
So we have seen all the trophies that you won last year, I guess. So how is the feeling that you are nominated once again for this year?
Wow, very excited, very proud to be nominated again. And we are very much happy that our effort is again recognized, despite of winning 2 trophies last year.
Whose idea is this business?
Well, Alex, actually this is my brainchild, this is my idea. But I could not do it alone without the help of my family. Every member of the family, including my apo.
So sir, since this is a family business, what are the challenges before and now?
It's really very challenging because the people working around you are not really people that you're paying, no? Just like my 2 daughters, my wife, and my model, which is my apo. So it's really not easy. But since they know that it is for them, it is really a must that they have to have. And I am proud to say the success of this business is not only due to my effort, but to the effort of the whole family. And not only to the whole family. I would like to recognize also my men, my people, the housewives around the community who have sacrificed a lot also.
And who's researching on the development for bench marketing?
At first, it was only me who started the first 3 products. But later on, the whole family